Essentials: at least 2 cups to hold water/soapy water. Normally this would be done by the sink, so you wouldn't need a third cup. Also, a bulb syringe, paper towel/tissue roll. Nice to haves: a blunt tip needle syringe. This has other purposes aside from just cleaning, and cotton wool buds. Method 1 can be time consuming depending on the pen's filling mechanism. Disassemble pen, expel any excess ink in the pen, engage the filling mechanism to draw water up into the pen, expel the inky wastewater into sink/waste cup. Repeat this process until the water expelled out of the pen is somewhat clear. Eventually, you will want to refill the cup of water with some fresh water when it becomes too inky. Assuming your pen uses a converter, when the water runs fully clear, as shown here, the next step is to clean the converter. To clean the converter, remove the converter from the section of the pen, fill the converter just over halfway with water, and draw in some air, ensuring to keep a finger over the opening of the converter. Shake it vigorously, expel the water, then rinse and repeat. The last step is drying. Wrap a paper towel around the nib of the pen, wait for about a minute or so, and then check and see how dark the water is. If you are switching inks and the water still remains somewhat inky, you may want to consider using method 2 or 3. However, if you are keeping to the same ink color, it will be fine if the water comes out slightly hued. For the converter, get a sheet of paper towel and tap the converter gently but vigorously to force the water out. Method 2, it's preferable to use a sink here. Remove the converter from the section, fill up your bulb syringe with water, attach the bulb syringe onto the end of section, flush the water through, repeat until water runs clear. Dry the pen in the same manner as shown previously. You may also want to make a small roll of paper towel and use it to dry the inside of the section where the bulb syringe was inserted. To clean the converter, expel any excess ink. Using a blunt tip needle syringe, flush water through the converter, expel the water, repeat until water runs clear. Dry the converter in the same manner as shown previously. Method 3, clean the pen as best as possible using the same steps as method 2. As you will see soon, the water still appears relatively dark on the paper towel. After completing the steps of method 2, obtain a second container with some water and pen flush. If you do not have a pen flush, dish soap can work. Flush the mixture through the pen, then rinse using a flush of plain water. Repeat a couple of times if necessary. Dry as shown previously and hopefully the pen should be clean.